Prophets in Islam series. 25 prophets, one message, one God. Number 11. Yusuf alayhi salam. Name: Yusuf alayhi salam. Title: The Noble Prophet of Patience, Beauty and Dreams. Birth and lineage. Full name: Yusuf ibn Yaqub ibn Ishaq ibn Ibrahim alayhi salam, great grandson of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Indeed, in Yusuf and his brothers, there were signs for those who ask. Family and childhood. Father: Prophet Yaqub alayhi salam, favored for his righteousness and dreams, had 11 brothers. When Yusuf said to his father, "O my father, indeed I have seen in a dream 11 stars." The dream, Ruya, saw a divine dream at a young age, the sun, the moon and 11 stars prostrating to me. Interpreted later as his family honoring him, a sign of future greatness. Betrayal and the well. Out of jealousy, his brothers plotted against him, thrown into a well and left by his brothers. So they took him away and agreed to put him into the bottom of the well. Life in Egypt. Rescued and sold into slavery. Adopted by a noble Egyptian minister, Al-Aziz, and the one from Egypt who bought him said to his wife, "Make his stay comfortable." The trial of beauty. Known for his unmatched beauty, Yusuf alayhi salam was tested with the seduction of the minister's wife, Zulaykha. She closed the doors and said, "Come to me." He sought refuge in Allah. Prison and dreams. Unjustly imprisoned despite innocence. Interpreted the dreams of 2 inmates. Inform us of its interpretation. Rise to power. Interpreted the king's dream. Predicted 7 years of abundance followed by a famine. Appointed as Egypt's treasurer due to his wisdom. Indeed, I will appoint you over the storehouses of the land. Reunion with family. Eventually reunited with his brothers and father in Egypt. Restored Yaqub alayhi salam's eyesight with a shield. Take this shield of mine and cast it over the face of my father. Message and prophethood. Called people to worship Allah alone. You do not worship besides Him but only names. Taught monotheism while imprisoned. Death. He died in Egypt. Grave. Requested his bones be taken to Palestine upon his descendants' exodus. Reported to be later buried in Hebron or Nablus. Mentioned from historical sources, Quran does not specify his burial site. Legacy. One of the few prophets with an entire surah dedicated to him. Surah Yusuf praised as the Ahsan al-Qasas, best of his stories. Mentioned 25 times in the Quran by name. Key qualities: Sabr Jameel, beautiful patience. Taqwa, God consciousness. Husn al-Khuluq, excellent character. Wisdom, dream interpretation and leadership. All this is backed by authentic, verified Quran and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.